Hello, my name is Andrew Kowalski and this is my Photo 3 presentation. My first shoot was of our field trip to Chinatown. In the shoot, I used a manual camera equipped with a long lens as well as a digital camera for this assignment. I used a high contrast to illustrate how different the culture is in Chinatown, and I also used a lot of bright colors in my digital photos to make them pop. My second assignment was a shoot I did over spring break. I found an area of St. Charles where a homeless person had apparently been living, and it was covered in graffiti. I used a digital SLR camera to make the images very clear and crisp. I edited the brightness and contrast to make the details in the images stand out more. My third shoot was my first independent shoot. I took photos of my dad during his video shoot. I used a single point lighting system and a high ISO to create dramatic shadows and a grainy feel to the photos. I wanted to achieve a rock look, and I believe I achieved my goal. My fourth shoot was my experimental shoot, painting with light. I used a very low shutter speed in dark areas where I manipulated the light, and it gave me some very interesting results. I love the color and vibrancy in these photos. My fifth shoot was my second independent shoot and was based around nature. I used a digital SLR camera and a long lens to capture images of flowers, animals, and trees. I wanted to create a sense of calm and tranquility. I edited the colors and contrast in the photos, particularly in the tree photos, to create surreal images. My fifth and final shoot was of downtown Chicago at nighttime. I used a PowerShot camera and a high ISO to capture the bright lights and vibrancy of the Chicago architecture and nightlife. Overall, Photo 3 helped me develop my own unique style and helped me learn to break free of structured environments and think independently.